Hi, it's Hannah. Today I'll be showing you how to do these pretty floral nails using polishes from the Ethereal Garden Collection by KL Polish. I'll also be swatching each polish after the tutorial, so be sure to stick around for that. Alright, let's get started. First, apply a base coat. Next, apply Charmed for your base color. Once it is dry, take Gum Would Be Perfection and create outlines for the petals coming from the side of the nail. And now fill it in. Repeat these steps around the nail. Use Miss Kensington to create small leaves around each flower. With Tuxedo Mask, carefully outline the flowers and leaves. Apply small lines coming from the petals and leaves to complete the floral look. Finally, apply a top coat to help protect and seal in your design. That's it for the tutorial, so let's get right into the swatches. This collection is made up of 6 super gorgeous polishes that are perfect for spring. I applied 2 coats for each except for Pinky, which is the first one you see here, and Charmed. As you can see, Pinky is a bit sheer, so I'm showing you how each layer builds up until it's opaque. Gum Would Be Perfection is actually a 1-coater, which is amazing. I still applied 2 coats anyways, just so you can see the application again. Oh, and just so you know, each swatch has 1 layer of glossy top coat as well. So here is Charmed, which I have to say I think just might be my favorite. It's just too pretty. For this one, I applied 3 coats so you can see how it builds as well. Dream Boy is a pale blurple polish, which I think is super unique. I actually have nothing like this in my collection, so I love having this shade. Next up, we have Miss Kensington, which is the perfect mint for all of your spring dreams. This polish has a hint of aqua, which makes it stand out. And last but not least is Celine, which is a really nice muted yellow with tiny micro silver glitters. So that does it for this video. Be sure to leave a comment letting me know which one is your favorite, and don't forget to find me on socials so you can tag me all your nail pics. I'd love to see them. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye!